Heritage Foundation. From a humble collection in 2007, a vision began to take form that got formally established in 2021. The foundation is dedicated to preserving humanity's rich archaeological and archival heritage. Beginning with 15,000 manuscripts and 7,000 rare historical documents, our collection increased to over 60 million digitized pages from across the country, representing over 300,000 manuscripts. Our mission goes beyond preservation and digitalization to increasing awareness through expert-led online courses. We create a knowledge base through publication, research, and documentation of over 1,800 museums. We nurture deeper understanding of real history. Archaeological artifacts collected from unexplored and unlisted archaeological sites, philatelic items numbering over 22,000 postal stamps, prehistoric to post-independence commemoratives from 139 countries, coinage spanning from the Mauryan Empire to the Maratha period and beyond into modern times, are in our acquisition. Amongst our most treasured items are an extremely rare 12th century Quran written in gold ink, handwritten copies of the famed Akbarnama, Tariq-e-Hind, Tariq-e-Farishta, Tariq-e-Dakhan, Tariq-e-Taj, and other valuable manuscripts. The last handwritten letter of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, written by him in September of 1679, finds a proud place here. We humbly boast of possessing rare manuscript rolls, ranging from 34 to 60 feet in length. We are proud to have Memoranda of Understanding with Central University Karnataka, Kalburgi, IIT Mumbai, NIIMH, CCRS, Ministry of Ayush, Oriental Research Institute Mysore, Oriental Research Institute Mumbai, and other prestigious organizations. Heritage Foundation scholars and collaborators currently work in USA, Thailand, South Korea, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Finland. Today, with over 125,000 pages being digitalized and added every single day and growing, the Heritage Foundation is, in its own humble way, reshaping its future with the aim to preserve information, facilitate historical research, and shed light on the evolution of human beings, their cultures, and their civilizations. We invite you to come, join us in this endeavor to preserve the past for our future generations. Heritage Foundation. Preserve the past. Protect the legacy.